So I just put together a quick video for anyone suffering with this fault code after an injector replacement. This one's a 2016 Vauxhall Insignia. It's the 1.6 diesel. I'll just show you when the engine light's not actually coming on, but we've just got the diagnostic machine hooked up to it. That's why the ESC light's coming on, but basically it's coming up with a service vehicle soon light, which is relating to like an engine fault rather than anything to do with actually needing a service there. But you can just see the engine light's not actually on. If I just run you through, I've just got the snap-on machine hooked up to it, and I'll just show you the fault code that we've got. Basically this one had a fault with injector number 3. It's had a new injector fitted, the injector's coded, but I'll just show you the fault code that we've got in there. You can just see P268A, fuel injection calibration, small quantity not learned. And basically what that's relating to, it's not saying that the injector's not actually coded. The coding has been put into this one, but it's just the small quantity section hasn't been done, that's all. So if you just go back, now various different diagnostic machines will do this. I'm usually using the top-down diagnostic machine, but the subscription's expired at the minute, so I'm just sorting that out. So I just jumped on the snap-on. But if we go into functional tests and special functions, you'll just see the injector programming, which is there, which is for the individual programming for each injector, which has been done. We've got the correct coding in there. But there is another option for the small quantity learn there. So if we just go into that, and you have just got to follow it quite precisely. It'll tell you that you need to have the aircon turned off to do it, have it in neutral and start the vehicle. So if we just do that. Now this fault code with it is a permanent fault code. You can clear it, but it just comes straight back on. So if we just run through this now. It will tell you, you can just see it's saying conditions not correct, and you can have a look through. There's loads of parameters that need to be met, and I think it's the coolant temperature at the minute. So if we just have a look, you can see the coolant temperature's out of range. At the minute it's only 67, it needs to be between 71 and 104. So if we just give it a few revs just to get the coolant temperature up, we should then be able to carry out the quantity learn. So now let it get to 72. You can just see as I've dropped the revs to idle now, it needs to be idle as well. It's allowing us to go to the next step. So if we just continue with that. Now as it's steering it, keep your feet off the pedals and everything like that, but you can hear, I don't know if you can hear that, but the revs are just altering there while it just runs through the procedure. See, that's now successful. So if we now attempt to clear the fault code, that should now clear out. Whereas before, you could try and clear it, but as soon as you went back into it, the fault code was back. So you can see that's now cleared that out. And if we now turn it off and strike it back up, that should now got rid of the service vehicle soon message, which it has there as well. So yeah, just thought I'd put this quick video together just in case it helps someone with that issue. Don't panic, it's not a faulty injector, it's just simply another section that needs to be done alongside actually coding the injector itself as well. Yeah, I hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.